Let's talk about the average high. Now, so the average high, the average high to date for the summer, remember summer, I'm talking meteorological summer, June, July, and August. It's those 3 months. So meteorological summer, the average high to date is 92.3 degrees. Last year, to date, it was 97.5. It was hot. I mean, that's quite a difference there between the normal and the average last year. This year to date, 94.5. So certainly cooler than last year, and actually just, about 2 degrees warmer than normal on the average. Now, how about the average low? The normal is 72.9, almost 73 degrees. Last year, it was a little over 77 degrees. That's pretty warm to date. This year, 74.6, so it's 1.5 degrees warmer than normal on the low side of the scale. What about triple-digit days? Normal to date is 4. Last year to date, we had 17. That's worth complaining about. We've only had 6. I mean, we all still want to complain anyway, but we've had 6 so far, so that's pretty close to normal. That's a tad warmer, but pretty close to normal. The only surprise that I had here, given I look at the rainfall numbers from all across North Texas, the normal to date is 4.63. Last year we had 2.64. This is surprising that this summer so far, remember it's June and the first 10 days of July, we've picked up less than an inch of rain. And it's interesting because we can feel the humidity, right? Where does the humidity come from? Well, one place it comes from is the evaporation from the ground moisture from the rainfall that we've had. So DFW has just lucked out. It hasn't rained at DFW other than that, and we all know it never rains in Denton. So there we go. Okay, those are your numbers. That's just kind of just a little, it just encapsulates what we've had over the last 6 weeks of summer or the last 4 weeks in these 10 days of July. A heat index of 105 to 110. That's why we have a heat advisory in effect now through Wednesday. A little thunderstorm activity west of Fort Worth has fizzled out. The stuff out around Albany and Abilene, that will die. Clouds increase tonight. Watch this complex of storms roll across the Red River, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock in the morning. Here's 10 o'clock. We'll have some scattered rain around as we head through the morning tomorrow. There's noon. Look at that. I mean, that's for this time, I mean, for the summer rain in Texas, to see it like that, 3 tomorrow afternoon, I mean, this is a good thing for sure. There's 6, 7 o'clock tomorrow night. It all happens during the day, then it fizzles out as we head through the afternoon, and high pressure starts to build back in. So with this big, that's the core of the heat. Some folks might call it a heat dome. I think I did like a week and a half ago. So that's our heat dome, that big ridge of high pressure. With it to the west of us, we're at 96 Tuesday, tomorrow. And then with that big ridge moving off to the east, by Wednesday we jump up to 100 degrees. See how it closes in on us. Thursday we hit 101. Closer on Friday, we hit 102. It's near us on Saturday, back around 101. Sunday, it's 100. So as that high builds back into the state of Texas, high temperatures go up, rain chances drop, and again, it's just summer in Texas. No records on the way, but hot temps. 77, that's the low tonight. A little bit of rain overnight tonight. 30 to 40% of us see rain tomorrow. We hit 96. The rain shuts off, and look at the temps, Joe. It's hot. Yeah. 100, 101, 102, 101, 100, 101, 102, 103, 102. No records. The records are as cool as 107 and as hot as 110. So it'll be hot. It just won't be record heat. But again, that's the middle of July. That's not that unusual.